random dad stuff. This morning, we are headed up to do some rock climbing. We are up American Fork Canyon, place I grew up climbing when I was younger. Haven't climbed here for, I'd say, 15 years. Let's see, 14 years maybe. We're going to check out this place called Hard Rock. It's got some fairly easy climbs. Good for the kids, good for family. It's also got some harder climbs. And yeah, here we go. We made it here to this area called Hard Rock. There's a 5.6 here and a 5.8 here. And if you keep going on the 8, it goes to 11 way up there. We've got a couple other ones over here, another 8, another 10. So a wide variety of climbs here.
Yeah.
Let's get going. Made it up to the top of this climb. Got my anchor set up, and I'm gonna stay up here while someone else climbs and get some videos of them coming up. How's it going, Alice? Can't wait till you get to the roof. Yeah. All right, you made it. What do you think, Alice? How was it?
It was fun.
What do you think of your first climb in AF Canyon?
I really don't know. I think it was good.
Pretty high, huh? Good job, Zane. Come on.
What was that from?
Karate Kid.
Oh yeah.
Nice, almost to the chains. Zane, what'd you find up there? A nice chair. Cool. You made it over the roof. Do we have video proof?
I I don't know, but
Video proof is right here.
I've always said I'm not going over roofs. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm already afraid of heights. Look at all the hard things I do when I don't really want to. And then the 8-year-old had to do it. Do it.
Nice.
Still shaking.
Okay, bye.
Hey.
Come on.
Still shaking. I always said I would never do roofs, and he always makes me do things that I don't want to do.
You make me do things that I don't want to do.
I'm old.
Today we are going over to the membrane area across the river. We need to cross this log, but there's a rope there, so it'll be a little bit tricky. We'll make it though.